Hello YouTube, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today I'm doing a follow-up video on a video that I did previously, how to use a Chrome extension. Hold on, let me look up the extension real quick here. Let me go into the Chrome store, and we're going to search for this read out loud for Chrome. Oh, I can't find it. Let me see something here. I think I need to go, it's the extension that we need right here. Let me click on that. Okay. Oh, it's called Read and Write for Chrome. That's the one we need. So we need to go in here. And there it is, okay? So you need to search for Read and Write for Chrome. And here's the icon for that. It's RW and look like a piece of puzzle, okay? So what you want to do, you want to go to Chrome Store, search for that, install it. If you guys want to watch the previous video right here, it shows you how to do all these steps. But today I'm doing a follow-up video because a couple of my audience asked questions and they didn't know how to activate. When you go into when you open up Chrome, when you open up a document in Google Chrome or whatever you want to call it, you want to click, you see this RW here? You want to right click this thing here and you want to pin it. It's going to say pin, okay? I don't want, okay, I'm going to unpin it. And if I go down here to, is it right here? Nope. I need to go down to extensions. There you go, extensions. Click on that. Extensions, manage extensions. And then you want to come down and find, just type in read. I have a bunch of extensions here. Go read, and here's the one that we need, okay? So what we want to do is details, and we want to go, how do you pin that? Oh, pin to toolbar, okay? So make sure this thing is checked right here. So it's pinned. So now we got it showing up here on your ribbon. And when you're in a Google Doc, for example, you want to highlight whatever you need. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Control Z to put it back where it was. And now we want to click on this button here.
Your name. Laura Mipsum Dolorsit Emmett, Consector Dibising Ellet. 123 your city, street 12,000.
All right, so this video is going to be pretty short. I basically want to answer two questions. One of them was how to activate the Chrome extension. And to answer that is basically click on the icon right here. Okay, and that activates the Chrome extension. I believe you only have to do it one time, but make sure you have it pinned. And when you go in the Google Doc, in order for you to activate that, all you have to do is just click on this little icon here, and that brings up the ribbon right here, okay? And now the other question that I had is how do you make it read at 2x or high speed? Just click on these little three dots over here and then hit settings, and that brings up your settings over here. You can change the language, you can do all kind of stuff with this. But anyway, I got it on English right now, and I got the speed up to 100%. If we go back to 50, which is the normal, that's what it was, I would close it and hit pause or stop and then play again.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And no_reply at example.com. Experience. Company, location, job title. Month 20XX present.
All right, so right now, excuse me, it's playing at normal speed. And if you want to increase, if you want this thing to be read at 2x or 10x or however it is, I usually bring it up to 100% because I like to, usually if I have a book or I'm an insurance agent, so what I usually do, I have my documents read to me at high speed so I can read basically a book in an hour or so or listen to it. So I would increase the speed to 100%. Watch how different it is. Hit stop. Hit play again.
Laura Mipsum Dolorsit Emmett, Consector Dibising Ellet, said by Anonyminem. Company, location, job title. Month 20XX. Laura Mipsum Dolorsit Emmett, Consector Dibising Ellet.
So basically that brings it up to, I don't know how many X that is. Just, you can adjust your speed over here to however you want it. Hit settings. Come down here and set it up to however you want. 75%. 100%. I usually have it at 100% because I'm very limited on time, and usually when I'm driving or stuff like that, or I'm working out, I like to put on these books and just have them read to me, or documents. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this helps. please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks again for watching. I really appreciate all your comments, and I appreciate your. If you're interested in making money online, please click the link below the description. Get started today. This stuff is actually making me money on autopilot, and it's 100% passive income. I know people argue about passive income and say there is no such thing. I just want to tell you there is such thing, and I'm using it. And I have videos that I made years ago, and it's still making me money today. So passive income does exist, and if you are interested, click the link below. Have a great day, and best of luck.